It is generally agreed that young adults who suffer from addiction have more difficulty achieving sobriety than their adult counterparts, and therefore need a young adult drug rehab that recognizes their special needs. Treating addiction in young people requires a comprehensive treatment plan that is designed to address the specific issues that young adults face. Research on brain development has shown that the young adult brain continues to develop until around the age of 25. Research also shows that this population has a need to participate in activities that they perceive as risky. This, combined with having a decreased ability to control impulses compared to adults, sets these younger people up for a higher chance of drug abuse and addiction. A young adult drug rehab needs to have increased staff for supervision and monitoring of the daily structured living as compared